right, so welcome again to Play Drums the Easy Way. My name is Andre John, and I really want to welcome you to this channel as we look at playing drums the easy way, as I mentioned before. All right, we're looking at some easy, simple ways of learning to play the drum set. There might be a number of different pieces, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. All right, I want to share with you, there's a scripture that says, a man's gift makes room for him and brings him before great men. I want you to know that your gift of playing drums or learning to play drums is a gift from God. And as you take time out to practice and to develop your gift, it will open doors for you. I just want to share one or two of my simple stories. All right, I started off learning to play drums in church. As a young person, we used to go and tidy the church building on a Saturday in preparation for Sunday. And so the drums will be there. And sometimes I will jump on the drum set and just try something. But I also, as I continued to do that, nobody was there to really teach me. So I used to look at the other drummers that were actually playing in church. And so I kept on practicing. I would go early before church and practice, and I will stay after church and actually practice. And as I kept on doing that over and over and over and over, all right, several weeks, several months, then eventually they started allowing me to play drums, in church, which would enhance, the worship unto God. And then this gentleman from Jamaica, all right, I am originally from Trinidad and Tobago, but then this particular musician came from Jamaica and saw me playing drums in church. And so he asked me if I can be a part of his band. And so I traveled with him all over Trinidad. And I was able to play drums in places that I myself, all right, by my own effort, I would not be able to reach. But because I had a gift and I developed that gift, what it did was it opened doors for me and it brought me before great men. And so in Trinidad, I was able to play in a lot of churches. I was able to play in the National Stadium. So I just want you to remember this, that a man's gift makes room for him and brings him before great men. That is found in the book of Proverbs. So as you develop your gift, sometimes you will have some challenges, some beats you may want to give up, but I'm encouraging you, don't give up, all right? Keep going until you are able to master your drum beats, all right? So we are going a little further now and going to be applying, again, different style, and just want you to look carefully, look at the videos, rewind them if you need to, and look again. So let's go. So I'm beginning with the hi-hat and the bass drum. Some drummers have a problem with this beat, so I'm taking it very slow. I'm gonna bring in the snare. Wonderful. So the last one is we're going to be adding a double beat on the bass drum. Right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to end by playing both of them now. Okay? Start off slow and then we're going to go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking it slow now. Second one. First one. Boom. 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 Second one. Boom. 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 Right.